and welcome back. So now we are on to our E cards. So these are the E pieces from my double sheet wonder with the gift bag. All right, so this is the E pieces. We have 2 1/4 inch in the width and the height is 4 inches. So we've got 2 of those. I'm going to make 2 cards. And so these are slightly smaller card base. Now when I did the let me bring in, when I did the notebook from the B pieces, so that paper, that cardstock was cut out at 6.5, right? So so where are we? We've got 6.5. So we've got 6.5, and then so this is 6.5, and then the remaining pieces is basically what I did. I try not to waste paper and try to make use of them, and so yeah, so basically just use the remaining from cutting out the 6.5 for my B piece for the notebook, and then I just score that in half, which is at 10.5 centimeter, which is the half of the A4 width. Okay, so that's how we get the 2. So and then right, I'm just going to do it. Right, just going to not think about this. Sometimes I like to do my stamping first, but we'll just run with it and see how we go. Might be I'm a little bit pushed for time because I'm trying to get these videos done as well, and then take pictures of them before the sun goes down. So I'm going to use it on this side. So there you go. So we've got the beginnings of 2 cards here, right? It's really simple cardstock with some piece of paper. And then I thought for these cards, I'm going to pull out Biggest Wish stamp set, which I love, 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 love. And haven't used it in a while, so hey, now's the time to pull it out. Just a simple happy birthday. I think we will just do happy birthday here. Or happy birthday. I don't know, happy birthday. Right? How cool is that? I think that's pretty cool. I'm just dotting that off like this. Right, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I can do that at the same time. Can I? Yes, I can. Okay, do it like that. And hopefully that will work out. I'm just going to go happy with Versamark because I'm going to heat emboss these in white. What do you think? So I'm just going to go good for going for gold. Not sure how well it turns out. Use my white. Picking it up just with the cardstock. Oh, I forgot to do something. Oh well. We'll see. We'll see. I wanted to add some gold. I had that plan in my head. Does that happen to you? You know, when you think you're going to do something and then you just don't do it. Is it a bit late? Let's have a look. So happy birthday. Oh, I think I did a good job. I did quite a good job there. So I'm going to do the same for this one. So I have 2 happy birthday cards all in the ready, just making sure that it's the right way up. So often we end up doing things happily and then realize we've done it upside down. So here we go. I'm going to put that one there. Happy birthday. All right. Oh, I need my thing again. very gentle here. Right. Oh, got some on the desktop. Ooh, it's going to be like, I'm going to use this little contraption. It's a little bit of a bonus thing. It's going to clean it up, vacuum it all up. Okay. Did you see what it was? It was just a little thing that I got from Temu. It's like a little desk vacuum cleaner. How cute. Alright, that's all nice and steady. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, so it's going to be a bit noisy. Bear with me. Let's see if you can see it clear. I think it'll show up on the video. Love, love, love. Second one. Voila! Love the magic of embossing powder, don't you? So how simple and quick and easy these cards are. So here we've got 2 happy birthday cards. I was wanting to jazz it up a bit with that, but now I'm not sure how I'm going to put it on because I didn't do it earlier. Maybe I will have to use these gold foil instead. So I've got that, but that's not long enough. I could do it like that though, so it looks like a washi tape, like washi taped on. Oh, here we go. This one might be long enough, not quite. So question is, do I want to? Oh, what's this one? Oh yeah, so this is also that. Oh, this is silver. What's the silver doing in here? Okay, so this is the longest piece. Do I want to use that? Or do I want to cut into some more bigger pieces? Aha! There we go. We've got that piece. I am happy. I am happy. So what did we say it was? It was the length was about 4, was it not? So let's get the trimmer out. And we cut it to 4 inch. Put that aside, plop that down. It's a mess here, guys. If you see what is here, it's messy as. Okay, so I'm going to glue that on. So I'm going to make that into half of that. So what's half of that? I don't know. Alright, that's all good. So that's like about 1/4 of an inch. Is that good? Okay. Let's get this out of the way. I'll move that one up here. So I can either leave it like that. Do you know what though? I kind of think I'm going to change my mind. I kind of think I'm going to do that. Or not at all. You know what? I'm going to leave it. I'm going to think about it later. After all that, I'm just going to leave it plain so you can see how nice and plain it is. We can put some gems in here though. How about, ooh, butterfly gems? How's that? We could do 3 butterflies for each. Oh, although, do we want to keep this more neutral? That's a florally one. So Oh, what happened there? There. There. Oops. Oh, decisions. I don't know. Where would you have this? Or would you just have two? Happy birthday? Would you have this a little bit further out here and that one here? So we have like a triangle thing happening. Alright, yep, happy with that. And then maybe this one, I keep it a little bit more neutral and have these metallic pieces. So this rustic metallic. How's that one? What is that? I don't know why that was one kind of not moving. There. There. And one there. Ta-da! Happy as Larry. Right, we can do it like that, can't we? Oh, put that one away. Sort that out later. Here we go. So we've got two nice and simple cards made from the E pieces. Right, thank you.